Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how you could earn rubies. So I have been playing this game since the airdrop, and I have like earned up to I think around 1980 rubies. So I will show you how you could earn rubies, and what I'll say what are the rewards that you are gonna get for rubies. So the first thing is that if you have rubies, you could convert them to legendary items. So like rubies is like an in-game currency that rewards players for their in-game achievements, as well as you can earn rubies by winning multiplayer battles, gameplay challenges, achievements, and special events. So everyone can earn rubies, as well as that includes both free to play players and NFT owners. And rubies are used to craft and trade legendary items inside the game. So if you need some legendary items, you could craft them with rubies. And like these includes stuff like skins, land statues, land decorations, and even legendary consumables. And every legendary item is an NFT that can be traded on the traditional marketplace, as well as the mavia NFT marketplace. So you could trade every legendary item, and the thing is like it will become an NFT, so you could trade it on the marketplace. So it's also like an airdrop. And let's see how you could earn rubies. So in order to earn rubies, you will have you will get a maximum allocation of 100 rupees per day. So you can see how many days I have played the game. So in order to get the 24 hours countdown reset, you can attack again and again. So I'll show you how you could earn 100 rupees. So if you make an attack, and if you get 3 stars, you will get 20 rubies per attack. And if you get 2 stars, you will get 10 rubies per attack. And if you get only 1 star, you won't get any rubies. So in order to get 20 rubies per attack, you will have to do 3 stars. So if you get 3 stars, and if you finish 5 attacks with 3 stars, the maximum allocation of 100 rupees per day is finished for you, and you will get it. So every day you will what you have to do is log in and get the 100 rubies. So these rubies will be exchangeable, or the marketplace will be live in March, at the end of March, or the start of April, as Mavia says. So that's how you get rubies. And you can also as I said, you can trade them for items and stuff, and you can sell them. So it's also like an airdrop. If you miss the airdrop, this is a good opportunity for you to get on this game. And another thing is if you didn't know, Mavia has given only, it's 3.5% of the airdrop on the first day. But in their tokenomics, they have said they are going to give 10% of the whole supply as gameplay rewards. So you will get rewards for, I think, if they have stuff like clan wars, or if you are on top of the leaderboard, you will get airdrops of Mavia token also. So I think if you keep on building your base like this, and I have gone to level 7 headquarters. It was a bit hard, but if you want to know how to do it, I'll make a tutorial about it. So keep on playing the game, and also keep on building. We don't know how they are going to reward you. Maybe they will reward you for your bases, or maybe they will reward you for how you play. So keep on playing. And this is an update on how you could earn rubies. So it's 100 rubies per day. Play the game, get 100 rubies per day. That's all for now. I'll make a new video when Heroes of Mavia makes another announcement. For now, that's it. Keep on earning diamonds, and I'll see you on another video. Thank you for watching this video. Leave a like and subscribe if possible. Thank you.